So today we are going to see about the different types of wastages and how it is disposed. Solid waste management. It is our duty to reduce creating waste and protect environment. Three R's are important in protecting environment. The first R is reduce and the second R is reuse and the last R is recycle. The waste hierarchy or a pyramid shows the best way to manage solid waste. Avoid Avoid the usage of unwanted materials which create more debris. Before you buy anything, think that do I really need it? Example, avoid buying packaged foods. Refuse to buy, use and throw plastic products. Reduce. We can reduce the waste by using durable goods that last longer instead of things that are used once and thrown away. Example, write on both the sides of paper instead of unnecessary printings. Use electronic facilities. Share newspapers, magazines, and other things with others. Reuse. Reusing means using a thing again and again rather than using and throwing after a single use. Example, instead of using plastic bags, use and throw pens and batteries. Use cloth bags, fountain pens, and rechargeable batteries. Reuse glass bottles for other purposes. Repair footwear and use them. Creative reuses. Creative reuse or upcycling is the process of converting waste materials or useless products into new materials or products of better quality or for better environment value. When you upcycle, you are giving an item a new purpose. Example, used tires into chairs, used PET bottle into pen stands. Recycle. The process by which waste materials are used to make new products is called recycling. Example, using old cloths to make paper and melting some plastics to make floor mats, plastic boards and hose pipes. Compost. The process of degradation of organic waste into manure by the action of microorganisms is called composting. The manure thus obtained becomes natural fertilizers for the plants as well as increases the soil fertility. Incinerate. The burning of solid waste is called incineration. Human anatomical waste like discarded medicines, toxic drugs, blood, pus are disposed by means of incineration. During incineration, the enormous heat kills all contagious disease causing germs. We can also produce electricity with the help of this heat. Landfill. Landfilling is a method in which waste are dumped into naturally occurring or man-made pits and covered with soil. Garbage buried inside landfills remain here for a long time as they decompose very slowly and become manure. These places can be converted into parks, garden, etc. Earlier in this chapter, you have learnt about Rani and how she did not want to cause pollution. Simple steps in our daily life can make big difference. There are two steps you should remember. The first step should always be to reduce waste. Think of 3 R's and the waste pyramid and remember the order of the levels. The second step is to keep waste separate. This way, the waste will remain clean and can be easily reused or recycled. Mixing different types of waste together. Example, biodegradable and non-biodegradable make waste dirty. Dirty waste gets sent to all landfill or open dump. Waste separation exercise. The Solid Waste Management Rule 2016 says that every household should separate and store the waste generated by them in 3 separate streams, namely biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and domestic hazardous waste in suitable bins and hand over segregated waste to authorized waste pickers or waste collectors as per the direction or notification by the local authorities from time to time. Nobody shall throw, burn, or bury the solid waste on streets, open public space, outside his premises, or in the drain or water bodies. Domestic hazard waste means discard paint drums, pesticide cans, CFL bulbs, tube light, expired medicines, broken mercury thermometers, used batteries, used needles and syringes, and contaminated gases, etc., generated at the household level. Activity: preparation of vermicompost. Dig a pit for about 1 feet depth in the backyard or garden of your house or school. Fill the pit by bio waste, paper, and food waste. Place few earthworms in it. Sprinkle water and close the place with jute or cardboard and ensure moisture all the time. After 45 days, the vermicasting layer formed just above the pit. This casting will be applied to the plant. This contains water-soluble nutrients. This type of compost helps in plant growth as well as sustain the land in fertility.